In this video, I'm going to show you another functionality in Mesh Morpher, which allows us to subdivide meshes directly from Mesh Morpher and subdividing morph targets as well and all that stuff, right? So let's get started. First of all, this functionality is available only in 5.4 and above, so keep that in mind. And let's check this out. This is our MetaHuman. We want to subdivide this MetaHuman. And currently it has 34,000 vertices and 64,000 triangles, right? So if I go back in Mesh Morpher and open our MetaHuman mesh and go to Subdivide mesh, I have here a new window which allows us to select the subdivision level. The more levels you add, the longer it will take, right? It grows, the time it takes grows exponentially, right? So make sure you select a subdivision level that you're ready to invest the time in it, right? So I'm gonna go with the subdivision level of 1. I don't want to invest too much time in it, and I'm gonna transfer morph targets and weights as well, right? So let's press OK. The process now subdivides the morph targets, and then it will transfer all the good stuff, right? I'm gonna just skip to the end, so we don't have a 10 minutes video for nothing, right? See ya. Okay, our subdivision is almost complete. The mesh gets rebuilt now by the engine, and we will be able to see our results immediately. Let's close this skeletal mesh previewer and let's reopen it. And we will see that now we have 134,000 vertices and 256,000 triangles. And let's test it with an animation, because that's one important aspect. Let's select the ARCIT animation, and we will see that our mesh is our MetaHuman mesh is fully functional, right? So I think this is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this new feature. Is experimental, is only available in Unreal Engine 5.4, and yeah, this is it, and see you around. Bye.